Don't get comfortable, I'm about to film. Welcome to 2025. Let's get wild. It's that time of year again, where we kick all of our terrible habits in the hope of developing amazing summer bodies that glisten in the sun with rippling muscles. So in the spirit of becoming completely shredded animals, I'm gonna show you guys how to make a super easy and healthy cheat meal. Let's get to it. New Year's resolutions, you don't need any because you're perfect. Leo cooks things, I cook things. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make crispins. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make crispy. Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make crispy ranch chicken wings and broccoli. Nailed it. First up, we're going to start by making a ranch dry rub in here. 2 tablespoons of dried parsley, 2 tablespoons of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of garlic powder, 4 teaspoons of dried dill. 2 teaspoons of dried chives, 2 teaspoons of dried chives, 2 teaspoons of salt, yay! Half a teaspoon of mustard powder. Someone gave me a new pepper mill for Christmas. It was me, I gave it to myself. About 1 teaspoon of freshy crackles, best gift ever. Now put a cover on top and give it a shake. Shake, 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 shake. That was not properly sealed. And here's your ranch rub. Reserve it for later. Yeah! Now get yourself some broccoli. I don't need you. Don't throw away your broccoli stems. They're good for broccoli stock. And to just eat like that. Broccoli stems, no waste here, guys. Chop up your broccoli. We just want the florets. Oh, the broccoli. We'll come back here. Broccolizer. We're gonna do a little glug of olive oil, little sprinkle of salt. That's the sound salt makes. Now give it a nice tossage. Parchment lined baking sheet. Yeah. 350 degrees oven, 30-ish minutes. Gonna be an absolute beefcake this summer. For the chicken, we want a crispy skin, so you want to pat the wetness off your chicken. Pat the wetness off your chicken. That doesn't sound great, huh? Now I'm gonna lightly season the chicken with a bit of salt. Make sure to spray some oil on your wire rack, or else you're gonna have a bad time. So I'm gonna air fry these at 375 for about 20 minutes. Then I'm gonna flip them, bring the heat up to 425, and then cook them for about 10-ish minutes. 10-ish minutes. 10. Service. That's enough. Focus, focus. I'm also gonna do a honey hot sauce for the wings, just because I want to. About 1 tablespoon of honey. Now add in about 1 tablespoon of your favorite hot sauce. I like to use Heartbeat hot sauce. We'll mix. Waiting time. I really want some chicken, but I gotta wait for a bit. Fashion show. It's thematic because we're making chicken wings. Broccoli, complete. We're gonna put a little bit of ranch seasoning with the broccoli. Nice little shake. Wings, super crispy. Also gonna do a little ranch on the wings. A little drizzle of hot sauce honey. Ooh, yeah. We're also gonna do some freshly shaved pecorino romano. Couple green onions on top. Crispy ranch, chicken wings, and broccoli. And I'll see you guys at the beach. Chicken wing. Hello, chicken wing. Oh yeah, flats are the best. Everyone knows flats are the best. It's so good. I've had an air fryer for like 2 years. It's the first time I use it for this. Broccoli. Don't sleep on that broccoli. Meat and veggies, it's healthy. Air fryer chicken wings are awesome. Oh yeah. Happy New Year. Bye friends. More broccoli? Okay. Broccoli.